Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can customize your Shopify website. It's a pretty simple process. Just make sure you follow me till the end. You'll get a great idea on how you can customize your website with ease. Now, in terms of Shopify, these are all the things that you will see once you log into your account. And under the sales channel, you will see an option where it says online store. Just tap on that, and under here you will see that it has automatically come to themes. Now themes are a great way to start building your website. You don't need to do everything from scratch. Things are already put into motion with all these amazing themes. Now some of them are free, some of them are costly. Now this depends on your budget and how much you want to invest into your website. Now select a theme that you want, click on add, and it will come up right here under your theme library. Once it has been added successfully, just click on customize. Now as you can see, I am trying to build a fitness/workout website. Now this is the home page. You also have theme settings wherein you can customize things like your logo, your colors, your typography. So let's say I want to change the font of featured products. This is where I have to come, which is typography. Once I click on change, it'll give me a bunch of fonts to choose from. I can select any of them that I like, and that's it. It will change the font or the typography of all the text and all the headings that are available on my website. Now there are a bunch of options available under theme settings as well. Typography, layout, animations, buttons. There's a ton of them to choose from, but I will start with sections. This is probably the first thing you want to customize in terms of your website. So once you're here, it has been divided into three sections, which is the header, the template, and the footer. Now, if you want to do or incorporate any changes on the top part of your website, you will go ahead and choose the header section. As you can see, there are not a lot of options available since the header is limited to a few functionalities, which is these buttons. And yeah, it's basically a good starting point to your website. Once you're happy with your header, you can go ahead and customize your template, which is the entire website excepting the footer. Now you can add various sections in your template like a featured collection, a collection list, an image banner. Now if you want to change or customize the image banner, just click on it and click on edit. And yeah, as you can see, this is the current image that I have. I can either delete this or select something new. I'll just click on change and select from the free images that are available on Shopify's own store. Now as you know, I am trying to make a fitness/workout website, so I'll go ahead and find a section which matches my kind of taste. Now as you can see, there is a section that says fitness and sports. I'll tap on that, and these are all the images that I can select. These are all copyright free stock images, so yeah, you can use them however you like. Once you're happy with the image, just click on it, click on select, and that's it. You have successfully changed the image banner of your website. Now if you want to change other things like the video thumbnail, just click on it and you can go ahead and change the cover image of your video thumbnail. Just click on edit if you want to delete it, but if you just want to change it, click on change. Click on explore free images if you want to do it from the Shopify's collection. Just go ahead and click on the section that is related to your website, and yeah, tap on that image that you feel like is the best representation of the video. Click on select, and that's it. You have again customized the cover image of a video that you have just added into your template section. Now in case there's this option is not available, just click on add section, click on video. It will be available for you as well. Now if you want to change anything about this, just make sure you add products beforehand on the back end of the website, then that will reflect here as well. But other things like the font size or the heading size can be customized over here directly from the featured collections option. It's pretty simple and easy to do, so I'm pretty sure you'll be getting the hang of it once you spend a few hours on the customizing part of this website. Once you're happy with that and you have a few buttons added as well, as you can see, there is a button in this section which is called shop. Now I can change it to whatever I like. Yeah, I can change the label as well. I'll put it up as shop. Just shop is fine for me. And once I tap on shop, this is where it will go. This is the button link. It is the back end of this button. and you can even change it to whatever you like. There are all these options by default, but yeah, you can add pages and it will come up here as well. Let's say I just want to go to all products, that is there by default. Yeah, once I click on shop, it will link or redirect me to all products. That is basically how buttons work. You can add in a few more if you like, but yeah, this button was included in the theme, so it does match around with my website. And yeah, you can even change all these things directly from this section. And once you're happy with everything, just click on save, and yeah, all the changes that you have made with your website will be saved. And you're happy with that as well, just click on publish and it will go live on your website. I mean, the changes will go live on your website. As I said earlier, theme settings are another thing altogether. There are so many things that you can customize over here. I'll take you through the important ones, which are typography, colors, and buttons. So yeah, there is colors, there is typography. Now typography is a great way to change your fonts. As I said earlier, it's pretty important if you want to make the website more apt and relevant to your goal and business. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and customize all these various other options that are available, like the card, the checkout, the custom CSS. Now, CSS has something to do with coding and HTML. So yeah, if you don't have the idea of what that is, just ignore that and go ahead and do all the other things that are available for you to do without anything to learn. And yeah, that's it. If you are happy with everything that you have done, that's pretty much it. I hope I gave you a good idea on how you can go ahead with the customizability. It depends on you and how you think of what you want, what your aim is, what your goal is for your website, and things like your target audience, things like design, UI, UX, all that things do come into perspective once you're happy with your customization. So yeah, once you've done that, and I hope I gave you a good roadmap on how you can do and go ahead with the customizability on Shopify. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.